Today we're going to do a copycat recipe for IHOP pancakes. Yum! In a bowl, we're going to mix 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar. I almost forgot the next ingredient, which was not added at the beginning of the screen. It is 1 egg. So you're going to crack 1 egg into your mixture. Next, we're going to add 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking soda. When I was growing up, my favorite meal, besides cube steak and gravy and biscuits, was pancakes and bacon. And I loved it for supper. So that is one thing that I try to cook for my family very often, and I think they love it too. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What is your favorite meal? Doesn't matter if it's breakfast or supper. Next, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 cups of buttermilk, followed by 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Now we're going to mix this all up together. And I am preheating a skillet over medium heat. While I'm stirring this, I want to bring your attention to this cutting board. I absolutely think this is gorgeous. I have added the link into my description if you'd like to go visit the site. We are about to get started with our pancakes, but of course we have to start our meat. So we'll take just a few moments and fry up some bacon. All right, time to turn to our pancakes. Spray your pan with some Palm or cooking oil. And now go ahead and just place your batter in it. And I will say, I always burn my first pancake. Never fails. But after the first one, they turn out fine. So not sure if you're like me, but here we go with the second one. Hopefully it'll turn out a little bit better. All right, I guarantee this one's going to be a better one. Oh, perfect. This one is great. So I do want to take an opportunity to thank you for tuning in to our channel. We are just now starting with this channel, but I greatly appreciate it. I hope that you find some benefit in it. I hope you find a good recipe or a good tip. So again, appreciate you watching. All right, supper's just about ready. The bacon is done, smells absolutely delicious. Pancakes are ready. So when the family comes in, they'll be able to grab my favorite meal. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to check out some more videos.